Hey guys, we keep on doing this mystery number problem in class. So I said, you know what? Let me make a YouTube video so you can refer to it as you're practicing this problem. So let's go ahead and read this problem. Mr. Morales and Miss Tucker were going through the history textbooks in your lockers. Miss Strauss wanted to know what was the last page we read. We gave her the following clues. The product of the two pages we can see is 306. We were on the odd page number. What is the mystery number? So let's take a closer look at that first clue. It tells us that two numbers, when multiplied, equals 306. And I see there's a 6 in that ones place. So real quick, before we continue, we must remember that we're talking about a history textbook or a book in general. And in a book, pages go in order. If one page is 15, then the next page is 16. If one page is 27, then the next page is 28. So we must find two consecutive numbers that when multiplied gives me a 6 in the ones place. So I've gone ahead and made consecutive numbers of just one digits only. And I determined that 2 times 3 and 7 times 8 equals 56. So I must stress this. Whenever you have a 2 and a 3 in the ones place, you will always get a 6. And whenever you have a 7 and an 8 in the ones place and you multiply them, you always get a 6 in the ones place as well. And I put some examples right there. 22 times 33, look, a 6 in the ones place. 47 times 58, look, a 6 in the ones place. 12 times 43, a 6 in the ones place. Then 88 times 7, once again, a 6 in the ones place. But now that we found potential ones place values, we must now find our exact tens place. And that is going to be a lot easier to do. So now I've made a chart of me just multiplying my tens. 10 times 10, 20 times 20, 30 times 30, 40 times 40. And I'm realizing that 306 is in between times 10 and 20 times 20, letting me know that my number is smaller than 20 because once you get to 20, 20 times 20 is 400. That's too big. But it's also going to be greater than 10 because 10 times 10 equals 100. So let's look at this number line real close. I see I put 10 to 20, but I only highlighted the numbers that are greater than 10, but less than 20. And look, realize each number has a 1 in the tens place, letting us know our tens place is 1 or is in the tens. So now we're going to put this all together. So we realize that 2 times 3 equals 6 and 7 times 8 equals 56. And that both gives us a 6 in the ones place. And then we also realize that 306 is in between 10 times 10, which equals 100, and 20 times 20, which equals 400. So that means our two numbers are in between 10 and 20. So I put that information together and I got two potential equations. 12 times 13 and 17 times 18. Now we must determine which one of them does equal 306. So I went ahead and did my arrays for these two problems, and I got 12 times 13 equals 156. Look, we got a 6 in the ones place. It just didn't equal 306. But then we did 17 times 18, and we got 306 for sure. So now let's go back to our clues. We know that 17 times 18 equals 306, but it tells us that our mystery number is the odd page. So I know 17 is odd, so that means 17 is our mystery number. I hope this video helped, guys, and just watch it a couple more times and also practice problems as well.